Hello dear students. In the previous video we have discussed with different concepts, right? That is this one, determinants, and as well as intrinsic value of call and put options, and time value of call and put options, basic terms relating to call and put options, payoffs for a call option buyer and seller at expiration, and payoffs for a put option buyer and seller at expiration, payoff for a put option. And in this video, the last two concepts, that is binomial and black school's model, will discuss. After discussing binomial, in another video black schools, and in another video we'll discuss about the put call parity relationship. Okay, that just I'll discuss here the theory part, and remaining whatever the other problematic aspect I'll cover you in the class only. Okay, so let us discuss the option pricing models. Right, option pricing models are mathematical models used for the purpose of valuing the options. Most prevalent and widely acknowledged options pricing models are binomial, that is two period or multi period, and Black School's model. These are the two popular models which in which the derivative model will be constructed for the options market. Okay, option means an option creates a right, not an obligation, to buy or sell a certain asset at a predetermined price on or before a predetermined date. Right? Already we have discussed so much of a time, that is what do you mean by option and how the trading process. For everything I have given a chart and put those charts or figures in your exam while writing that. Okay, so when it comes to the options pricing model, there are mainly the two models, that is binomial model and the Black School's model. So in the binomial model, this is just just like an example. While solving the problem in the class, I'll tell you, or I'll let you know how the format of the problems will be. Okay, here don't refer these. Okay, so first we'll go with the binomial option pricing model. Okay, so a binomial model is an option pricing model that is usually understandable and less complex when compared to the Black and School's model or a Monte Carlo simulation. Okay, so binomial model is also known as Monte Carlo simulation as well. So it is very easier. Okay, just here what we are going to do means, just we will identify the cost of replicating portfolio and the present value of the option price. Okay, as per the binomial option pricing model, the price of an option is equal to the difference between the present value of the stock. So in binomial option pricing, what means, it is nothing but the price of an option, either it is equal to the difference between the present value, or it will be equal to the present value of the stock. Okay, certain assumptions of binomial option pricing model. The following are the assumptions in a binomial option pricing model. That is based on the efficient market hypothesis. There exist only two possible prices for the forthcoming period. Hence the name is binomial. Means binomial means only for two periods or two constants like spot and the strike price, market price or strike price. Okay, the two prices are the ones realized on an uptick or downstick, and here in this only we are going to take the market ups and downs. right? In problem already you have identified that if the current market price is 70, then the current up, okay, that is uptick is 90 rupees and down tick is 50 rupees, okay, and no arbitrage is possible. The rate of interest remains unchanged throughout the period under consideration. The investors are risk neutral and as well as the risk covers, okay, here one word is missing, as well as risk hours, okay, there does not exist any transaction cost, okay. So these are the assumptions of binomial option pricing model, okay. And 5 variables considered means just you in a group already I have sent you, that is strike price, market price, and other things, okay. Okay, so next is binomial option pricing model for call and put options. How it will be get varies. Okay, for call options, to execute a call option, you must pay the excise price and then buy the underlying asset or equity in question. Okay, that is ಈಗ ನಾವು ಕಾಲ್ ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಬೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಓಕೆ. ಆ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಎಕ್ಸೈಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸು ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಬೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬ ಬೆಟರ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್, ಓಕೆ. ದ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮನಿ ವೆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸೈಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸೈಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್, ಓಕೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸು 80 rupees ಇದ್ದು ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ 120 ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅಂಥ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬೈ ಮಾಡೋ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್, ಓಕೆ. ಅಂಥ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಲು ಕಾಲ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಓಕೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ವೆನ್ ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಅಪ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್, the payment of the call option is equal to the maximum between 0 and the spot price is multiplied by the up factor and decreased by the excise price. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಪ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಥ ಮೂಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಐದರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 0 and the spot price multiplied by the up factor and decreased by the excise price, okay. And for put option it is reverse, completely reverse. So if suppose spot price is high and future price, that is strike price is will be lower, at that situation selling now it is better decision, okay. So steps in binomial option pricing model, that is while solving the problems itself I have quoted these, right. So first step is determination of payoff of call option on expiry when the share price goes up to and comes down to, okay. First step, identifying the payoff. Next, finding out the quantum of the underlying asset to be bought by using the hedge ratio, okay. That is how much the quantum of shares to be bought and how much the quantum of shares to be hedged when lot size given. Hedged concept ಬರೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ when lot size is provided, okay. Next, payoff of replicating portfolio on the expiry of call option, okay. And last step is the determination of cost of replicating portfolio, okay. So these are the various steps and ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದನ್ನು, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಾಗ ಡೌಟ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮೀ, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್. I'll do it in next video. And if you have any doubts or any clarifications needed in binomial option pricing model, let you know. uh, just put in a comment box or message me. Okay, thank you so much.